Welcome back to Small Stitching. Today I am going to show you a unique type of neck design. This neck design is embellished with wave tucks. For this you will be in need of similar color plain fabric, lace and some decorative stones. To proceed, the width of the fabric should be of 3 inches and its length is 16 inches. On this fabric, we are going to mark lines with a difference of 1 inch between them. I am marking horizontally, but it can be done vertically as well. I run these lines in this manner. Now after pressing it with the iron, stitch it with a gap of half centimeter. Make sure you are stitching it with accuracy because the finishing of the tucks depend on this stitch. Let me stitch it. I have finished the tuck. As you can see, these tucks are stitched with a perfect half centimeter gap. This is called as a normal tuck or simple tuck. Now we have to give these tucks a wave loop. To do that, we have to stitch both the margins of our fabric. As you can see, the tucks are fixed because of this stitch. Now they won't move around the margins. While stitching it at the margin, you have to make sure that the direction of the tucks on both sides is same. Now we have to make a third stitch on the exact center of the fabric. While stitching it, we have to put the tuck in opposite direction. Now you can see a wavy look on the tucks. These are called as wave tucks. Attach this embellished fabric on the fusion paper. After doing this, we have to attach the lace at the border. This is how it looks after attaching the lace. You can further decorate this by attaching buttons, stones or pearls. Now I am attaching these pearls. This patch is ready. Now we can attach this to our neck. Now after attaching this patch to the top, cut the excess part. And then attach whatever design of neck you want. I am going to attach a U-neck. This is how it looks after completion. Thank you for watching. Like and share this video. Also subscribe my channel for more tutorials like this. Assalamu alaikum.